Welcome to the Secret Library, which is your online source for legal information and legal document templates. There are two ways to access documents in the library. You can either search for something specific by typing in the search box, or you can browse one of the topic-specific libraries. When we click on Employment Library, we will be taken directly to the Employment Library. You can search for a specific document in this library using the search box. You can see which documents in the library have been recently updated or modified, or on the left of the screen, you can browse one of the subtopic libraries. Let's click on Employment Agreements. Here you are taken to a page with information about how to put together an employment agreement. On the right of the page are all the additional resources related to this subtopic. Simply click on the plus button to expand the list of resources. Resources are categorized into books or reports, individual clauses or templates. Unless you are looking for a specific clause or report, it is best to start with a template. If you see the file symbol, it means the template is part of a document set, which will usually include both the template and an explanation document. If we click on the template, we will then see the two documents which make up the set. If we click on the document we want to view, then Word will open online. If that is a document you want, we recommend that you download a copy to your computer to work on. To do that, click on the ellipse at the top right hand of the screen and choose Download a Copy. A copy will then download to your computer and you are free to amend it as you see fit. You can click back on the breadcrumb to go back to the previous page and then download the explanation. The same principle applies for individual documents such as clauses. Simply click on the document and it will open up on screen. Then choose Download a Copy and you can insert the clause into your template. If you want to go back to the employment agreement page, then use the menu on the left hand side. If you need to go back to the main search page of the Secret Library, then either use the breadcrumbs or click on the logo at the top of the page. To search for a specific document in the library, simply type your search term into the search box. You can preview the document by hovering over the search result. You can also use the refiners on the right to narrow down your search to topics or resource types. Remember, the search box on the main Secret Library homepage will search all the libraries, whereas the search box in a specific library will only search that specific library. So you're always best to search from the homepage if you want a fuller search. If you have any questions about how the Secret Library works, then drop us an email. Similarly, if there is a particular document you can't find, let us know and we'll consider whether to add it to the library.